Hello, young scholars. I just wanted to do a quick video to explain your next assignment to you. So this has happened all throughout the year, but we noticed it especially now that we're doing remote learning. When you guys do your academic writing, like when you write your paragraphs about whether it's better to obey or challenge authority, we notice there's a lot of grammatical errors and little things that we can tweak to make those paragraphs a lot better grammatically. So in your assignment that's posted here, we're going to have you go through a sample text. Your job is to locate all of the errors and then to fix them. And we want you to focus on 3 things specifically. You're not looking for every error in the whole text. We just want you to focus on 3 things. 1, we don't want you to use contractions in your academic writing. If you don't know what a contraction is, I'll show you here. Do not use contractions in academic writing. It's when you take 2 words and you slam them together with the apostrophe. So don't is a contraction. Don't use don't in your academic writing. Write this instead. Do not. Don't write it's. Write it is. Or they'll, for example, write they will. Or won't, write will not. See this column here? No. You don't want to use this in your academic writing. It's casual. It's not really grammatically incorrect. But when you're writing for a class, you want to use formal language. And that would be these here in this column. Okay? So that's the first thing we want you to look for in the text that you're going to get. Find the contractions, if there are any, and fix them. Separate them so that it's not this, but this instead. The second thing we want you to think about is capitalization. The first word in every sentence should be capitalized. I don't know if this is just out of laziness or if you guys don't know or if you're working too fast, but you want to make sure that every sentence begins with a capitalized word. Okay, so that's number 2. And the third thing we want you to look for is another capitalization rule, and that is you want to make sure that proper nouns are capitalized. So let's just go through the difference between a noun and a proper noun so you understand what to do. You all probably know this. A noun is a person, a place, or thing. So here's a sentence that uses a couple of nouns. I drove to the store with the girl in my car. So in this sentence, I've got a couple of the nouns underlined. The person in this sentence is the girl. The place would be the store. And the thing is my car. Those are nouns, person, place, or thing, but they're not very specific, okay? I'm going to give you a similar sentence, but we're going to use proper nouns instead, okay? A proper noun, here's your difference, is a specific person, place, or thing. So here's your sentence instead with proper nouns. I drove to Chipotle with Rita in my G-Wagon. So still we have a person, a place, and a thing, but they're specific in this sentence. It's not just a store, it's Chipotle. It's not just the girl, it's Rita. Okay? So those are proper nouns. Chipotle, Rita, G-Wagon. If it's a specific person, place, or thing, it's a proper noun and it should be capitalized. You should use a capital letter on that word. Okay? So as you go through the assignment for today and tomorrow, you want to make sure you're identifying places where there's a contraction, but there shouldn't be. You want to make sure every sentence is capitalized, and you want to make sure every proper noun, person, place, or thing that is specific is capitalized too.